What is going on, my G's? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, it's rather simple. After a long break from being on camera, I want to go and drive some cars and go see some people. And the first thing is, I got to drive this McLaren right now. Why? Because I want to take it. I want to go see Avi. And I'm going to tell you why as soon as I get there. So let's get rolling in the purple nurple machine. I don't think there's a lot of things I like more than driving and just listening to good music. There's nothing more relaxing, nothing that just brings me more to the moment than the right now. And that is something that I always want to be in instead of thinking ahead and all that shit. So if you guys haven't heard it, you guys gotta listen to Nicki Minaj's new album and Eminem's new album. It's fucking fire. Both of them are so fire. Nicki's is crazy. And yeah, I know that you guys know I love Cardi B. I understand that, but I know they have beef. But this is why I don't care about anyone's personal life other than what they do. Because it doesn't take away from this. So I'm loving all the good music that's coming out right now. I just wanted to let you guys know. Do it a little bit more often. Enjoy yourselves. One of the really dope things about living here in LA is if I'm gonna go see Avi, I can use these back roads. So by the way, I'm on a canyon called Topanga Canyon. So you see the turns, it's fucking beautiful. And if you really want to enjoy, and this is actually a very big advantage that we have living here in LA and having a supercar, is you can enjoy your daily drive like this one right now in a car like this, the McLaren, and you can put it all just in the different settings for everything traffic. Why is it so good? Because the McLaren, when you put it in comfort, it's such a different car from when it's in sport. And it's such an aggressive car when it goes to track. It really changes the behavior in all of the car from A to Z. So the feel, the enjoyment of the ride just in itself, it's so fucking amazing. Look at this turn, and the steering from McLaren is dope. So how do you enjoy it at the most? You put it in sport. And how you do that? So this is right here for your handling. That right here is for your powertrain. So you put them all in sport, track, or comfort, whatever you want, and then you press active, which is done. And then all you need to do is enjoy the car. But be safe. These McLarens are tough to drive, so you gotta pay a lot of attention. Scary, exciting stuff. And look at us, guys. I wanted to just stop, take a second to reflect on everything, enjoy the view, smell the roses, and just listen to my own advice, because lately I've had so much shit to deal with, and you know, all the work stuff, all the everything gets combined into one big bubble, and then out of nowhere something just pops it, and then you fucking go crazy. That's basically where I was at last week, so I had to take a break. I don't want to bring you guys happy content when there is none, because I think that's bullshit. I think that's fake. I hate when people do it and they gotta pretend like you're happy all the time. You're not. We're supposed to have downs too. And I had a little bit of a down last week. I'm back up right now, so feeling good. And another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is Porsche. My GT2 RS. I think I'm done. I'm officially done. I just want to recap on what on everything that's happened. I placed my order of the GT2 RS right after Goodwood. I think it was Goodwood, actually. They told me that my car would get here April or May of this year. They were gonna let me do PTS and all these things. So I placed my order. I wanted an acid yellow car, and then I was flirting with the idea of doing ruby stone red. And one day Porsche emailed me and said, hey, all of the cars are going to be delayed and everyone's going to be getting them in September, October. I was like, oh, that's fine. And then I saw that everyone got their car. Not only everyone got their car, there's dealers selling cars. Porsche said they didn't want people flipping cars, and that's why they did this, but now they have all of their dealers flipping the cars. So it doesn't really make sense what Porsche is doing. They're bastardizing their brand, and they're fucking loyal customers over. What the fuck have I done to not get my car early? Oh, you're a car flipper. I didn't sell my 911R for over a year. I've had two 918s. The first one I had for a year and 3 months. The second one for a year. I have a Carrera GT for almost 4 years now. This whole car flipper thing, there's obviously, I love you, Tim, and I'm not throwing you under the bus at all. I think what you're doing is right. You drove your GT3 for 6 months and now you're selling it, getting something else. But you guys gotta understand, if we keep the same cars for 7 years, everyone on YouTube goes, fuck you, right? So you gotta move the inventory. Before I started doing YouTube, I was switching my cars like that because that's what I like doing. So anyone saying anything else can go fuck themselves. So no, it's not the car flipping thing. It's something else. And I don't know what it is, and I'm sick and tired of it. This whole thing of just not treating people that are giving you $400,000 cash, it's not right. It doesn't sit well with me. They make amazing cars. You Porsche make great cars, but fuck you and fuck you McKenna Porsche. That's it. That's the only way to do it. Don't ever let people cross that line. Don't let people fucking step over your boundaries. Don't let people take advantage of you. They only say shit to you when you say something negative, but when it's positive, it's like you don't exist. That doesn't work that way. That's hypocritical and that's bullshit. So either way, I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I'm gonna go see Avi, and let's roll, people. Look at this picture. Jesus Christ. Have you been in one of these?
No.
Let's go.
It feels like an SLK 55. I'm dead serious.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. We'll get him. We'll get him.
Fantastic. Look, I haven't failed. Don't do this to me, because I feel like driving myself in my own car. And my wife said, no more, I need you alive.
Oh, yeah, we'll do it on the way back. How do you like it?
Jesus, I felt the G.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! We'll do a U-turn right now.
SLK 55.
No, it's not! No, it's not! Oh, these motherfuckers.
Great. Oh my God, imagine this car on a track
Exactly.
with me.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Wow, and the braking is phenomenal. Jesus, I need to do upgrades on my brakes. My NSX, it needs upgrades. You know, my car has been there.
The NSX?
Yeah, they're doing little mods, and one of the most important things, putting my AC back on.
Oh, yeah, you need that.
Even that I think I could do it, because I took everything apart, I don't want to.
No, you might as well have the guy.
Are you kidding? Eric is like the most neat picky.
Oh, wait, Eric is doing it? Yeah,
Eric is doing it. He says, I promise you I'm going to do it. It's every bolt. It's like, hey, you need this from the dealer.
He's dope, right?
Dude, we've had a story. Because I left, went for a vacation for 2 weeks. I came back, and he goes, hey, we're missing this housing for your AC compressor, and nobody has it. Not in Japan. They called Honda, Acura stores. What? It was only built for the NSX, and nobody has it in stock. So he goes, I don't know what to do. Like, we have to special order it. It'll be some crazy money because they have to send it out of Japan.
Course.
And I told him, you know what? I have a feeling I have the part. Let's get out of here. Brand new in a plastic bag.
No.
6 years ago, I bought this part by
you
mistake.
didn't. No.
Ask Eric.
Get out of
I
here.
swear I have the text to prove it. He was like, no way.
Good for you, man.
It was crazy.
Good for you. I want to know the verdict, Avi.
One of the best rides.
Lots of power.
You know, this new generation of cars is just built.
The braking is dope, right?
The braking is the best part.
Yeah.
The acceleration is one thing. You can get it out of modification to a Chevy. But the braking and the whole traction, dude, any other car would have lost control.
I know.
I would have loved it.
I know. It's so cool to share cars. And the real reason why we came over here is simple, guys. You guys see this Hellcat white body? This is my car. If you haven't noticed that. That's right. It's here at Avi's because I'm selling it, of course. I bought it, I think, 4 months ago or 5 months ago, which was such a waste of time. I'm gonna lose like $20,000 on this one. It doesn't matter, I had some fun with it, but I just don't drive it. I legitimately just don't drive it anymore. After I bought the E-Wagon, that's like the car that I have that it's powerful and fun to drive. I never expected the E to be that much fun, if that makes any sense. That is a dope-ass car, but I already had it, and to be honest with you, I think it was a mistake to rebuy something that I had already sold, and I'm gonna move forward in life knowing that. I shouldn't buy cars that I already have. Just remember that, Alejandro. And if anyone's interested in on the Hellcat, which by the way has like 500 or 400 miles, please hit up Avi at Pacific Luxury Motors. Follow them on Instagram and also send them an email. The email address is right below in case you're interested in buying this Hellcat. Also, Avi's gonna get rid of it within a week. I'm dead serious. You guys have seen when we say this. If you guys are interested, call them right away. Say that you're a pro member and Avi will give you a little surprise. I love that I totally forgot the reason why I came to Avi's. The reason why I came to Avi's is because we need to buy another car. Salomondrin.com is back up right now, and to all the pro members that stayed there, there's 3 winners right now. I appreciate the shit out of you. Go to this post, the original post on Salomondrin.com of this video, and you'll see if you're a winner. You won $500. There's 3 people that are gonna take $500. On top of that, we're gonna be giving away a car. So right now I came to look at Avi's inventory, but we're gonna be giving away an S2000. I'm gonna have Avi look for one, and on top of that, we're gonna be giving away $1,000 to pro members every week and $500 to any registered member of Salomondrin.com. So if you're not a member of Salomondrin.com, the fuck are you waiting for?
How would the car recognize if it's black and red? I don't see any difference.
Why are you being racist? I think, and this is legitimately what they told me. They were like, the red one overpowers the black one. But that never happens in real life if you think about it.
Braking on this car, not similar at all.
No, it's a huge car, dude.
Yeah, the top is heavy.
Even
Up
if you
front,
give it a
man,
little
it's
power, you're gonna see the car like immediately try to go. Yeah, immediately. It doesn't take anything at all.
McLaren just blew my mind, dude.
Yeah.
I always saw them in the street and I'm like, eh. Now, it's a different kind of appreciation. Sitting in one,
The engineering, right? That's when you go, holy shit.
I've actually driven a 458. Nothing compared.
Oh,
458 feels like a Gran Turismo.
yeah, it does.
Just
Compared to
lighter,
this,
you
yeah.
know?
You feel that?
It's like I'm not
Felt it
even
a little bit,
touching.
right?
Yeah,
You
don't
felt
touch the
it.
gas. And it's like, hey,
It's going already.
this thing for daily drive, dude, it's risky. You're risking your driver.
Yeah, this is a very hard car to own because the funnest thing about it is how stupid it is. You know what I mean? Like getting into trouble.
To get it right off the bat from the showroom floor with this mod, there's nothing to do.
No. And there's people that even put 1,000 horsepower in these. That's fucking ridiculous.
I don't understand that. That's not even joyful to drive.
Wow, I'm glad you get to drive this first with me.
I wish they had leather.
And that was the whole thing with my Raptor. I couldn't get in a Raptor without looking at this.
It's not a Raptor. That's like a high Rolls Royce.
That,
You know,
the way I
it's
see
tapping on that door.
the way I see it is, it's the cheapest Rolls Royce ever made,
I don't think.
and the most capable.
Look, there's not many people that I know that can do and go to that level of
Detail.
where I trust them to work on my car more than I trust myself, and that's hard.
Yeah, well, when we met you, that didn't exist.
No. We went to a few places. No. It was Galpin, dude.
Yeah, they bring it. They bring it.
They brought it.
You know what this is.
It kicks in at 4 or 5.
Yeah, it's
I can feel it.
ridiculous.
The 3 is just to get it ready. But is this the real 600 horses? You sure?
707, baby. Yeah.
707?
Yeah.
I thought it was 650.
No, 707. You'll see. You'll see.
Oh, dude, this thing. that was like second gear, and I'm just, where's the car going? Nowhere, because this. Dude, the McLaren just blew my. To sit in this car, how many horsepower does the McLaren has?
702.
It's how it gets delivered.
Of course.
The delivery is master.
The whole package, right? That's what makes the Carrera GT so great. It has less horsepower than this one.
It's pointless.
You can't go
You
straight.
can't even go straight. No. This would be a great car for drifting.
Yeah, but not for driving on a track.
Yeah. On the what track?
No, this is a fun car just to fuck around in. That's it. The wheels just go, man.
I just pushed it twice. I had no traction.
I just realized that I almost forgot to close the video and also explain to you why I'm in the AMG GTR. It was awesome going to Avi's and have him experience the 720S. Someone like Avi that loves cars that much, that has such a deep passion for speed too. Seeing someone like that impressed by the 720S in the way that he did is what makes this car so spectacular, if that makes any sense. Also, the engineering behind McLaren is insane. Again, fucking companies, they can all suck my dick. But the truth is the truth. Their cars are insane. Love the 720S. For anyone that wants the Hellcat, remember, it's available out there at Avi. Just hit him up directly. Oh, and what am I doing with the AMG GTR? You guys see me right now coming into Galpin. Damn it! The reason why I'm going to gas, which is right there, as you guys know, your homes got a wheel company now, so we're coming out with all these designs and putting all the wheels on the cars that we wanted to do. The AMG GTR is one of them. And there's a delicious yellow in the brake pads that no other car has. It's so rich, it's such an interesting yellow, if you will. And we want to have a part of the wheel be that yellow. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Don't worry about it. It's not going to be fucking crazy and it's going to look like Tron took a shit on a Pokemon. I promise you it won't. But I'm so excited. Right now I'm heading to Galpin. I'm going to drop off the AMG GTR. It's going to stay there so they can paint match the calipers for the wheels. And I have a meeting after that, and then fucking hustle never dies, people. I want to leave you with that. I have a question for you all, though. It's a random question. Of the Performante 720S and the AMG GTR, which one's your favorite and which one's your least favorite and why? I'd love to know. You guys will see why very, very soon, but I want to know up front right now because I have a gauge of what you guys like, I think. and some that you guys hate, and then there's some that I don't understand. There's something here I won't understand. So I'm just gonna leave you with that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alejandro, and have a great day.